Hello everyone and welcome once again to the Weather Centre. Taking a look at our satellite imagery for today, it was a cloudy day across KwaZulu-Natal over the eastern parts of Limpopo and Mpumalanga, and all the cloud in the area kept temperatures quite low in the upper teens and low 20s. On the Highveld, on the other hand, it was a sunny and dry start to Tuesday. Cloud cover developed as the morning progressed, and by this afternoon we've had thunder showers developing in places over the northwest into Gauteng, touching parts of Mpumalanga and the northern Free State. For tonight, those thunder showers will still be hanging around for a while, but later on the thunderstorms will have dissipated. In the east, it's going to remain quite cloudy and cool. There'll still be a bit of light rain in places, while over the western parts of the country it's going to be clear this evening, and that's going to allow for things to become quite cold, especially over the mountainous regions. Heading into tomorrow, there'll be morning fog over the eastern escarpment. There could still be a bit of drizzle, especially over eastern Limpopo. In the afternoon, it's going to be partly cloudy and dry, and with sunshine for the rest of South Africa. We're expecting temperatures to be rising for most areas, including in KwaZulu-Natal. A weak cold front brushing just to the south of the country will start pushing a bit of cloud cover along the Western Cape coastline, but we don't expect any rainfall from that on Wednesday. Let's take a look at tonight's rainfall probability map, and there we see the rain over the eastern parts. It's mainly light rain or drizzle, including over parts of the KwaZulu-Natal interior. A few thunder showers still expected over the northern Highveld, across Gauteng as well, and just touching the Vaal River between Mpumalanga and the Free State. Moving ahead to a commuter weather forecast for this evening in Durban, and it's going to be mainly cloudy and cool. There will still be patchy areas of light rain around the city, temperatures in the lower 20s, and we will see things eventually clearing up overnight. Let's take a look at minimum temperatures over South Africa overnight, and there we see the colder air that's going to be developing over the mountainous areas in the south, 4 degrees as a minimum temperature into De Aard, remaining in the double digits for the northern parts as well as along the east coast, but Cape Town in the south should dip just below 10 degrees overnight. Tomorrow is going to be lovely across almost all of South Africa. A perfect freedom day for most areas. It's going to be even hotter into KwaZulu-Natal, with temperatures reaching the low 30s, while Durban will reach a high of 29. Mild weather for the Western Cape, Georgia 22, and a lovely afternoon for both Johannesburg and Bloemfontein, peaking at 26. On Thursday, sunshine and warm weather continue for most areas, but a cold front will start pushing in some light rain towards Cape Town, and by Friday that front will be moving in across the Cape provinces, spreading in much cooler and wet weather over the area, while berg winds will be affecting Gauteng, KwaZulu-Natal and the Lowveld.